Hey, good day, everybody. I decided to take a hike this morning and try to beat the rain. It looks like it's raining a bit up maybe the southwest because we have water in the waterfall. Whoa! Let's see. This is the first I've been here where there's actually water, so just a little bit. But you can tell it's happening. Got some water here. And maybe we'll skip through here. Yeah, so there it is. Our dry little pond. It's got water, slowly filling up. But by the end of the day, maybe in another hour or two, it should probably be filled up and running pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, happiness. That is beautiful. There's no one out here. I'm the only one in the parking lot. Just amazing. Come out here and be myself. So yeah, beautifulness. Anyway, I'm going to go back around, head out, and get on with my day. So, yeah, very pretty. So, be well, much love. Get out and know Mother Nature here. She has a lot to offer. And I love you. See ya.